Hello viewers, you're welcome to our channel. Today we're in here for another brand new topic for you guys. As a matter of fact, if today is your first day you bumping into this channel, all I want you to do, please subscribe, like and share. Make sure you click on the notification button for you to get more of our video whenever we upload, so you can get notified. Don't forget, I always tell you that in case you want to buy your recipe, your skincare recipe or organic recipe, any of the recipe or cosmetic you want to buy, just call us. Being wherever you are, abroad, you talk about US, United Kingdom, Europe generally, Asia country, Canada, wherever you are in the world, Africa countries, just call on us. What we just need to do, we just send you the goods, any of the organic recipe you need, any of the cosmetic. We have all of them. We sell wholesale too right now. S-Mass is here, so come buy from us. Okay, what we'll be looking at today, we'll be looking at one good secret about Alpha Abutin. The ordinary secret you all don't know about Alpha Abutin, that serum. Oh, come on, let's look into this. We'll be right back. Alright, I'm here to help you out from your number one problem, hyperpigmentation. As a matter of fact, uninvited friend who sent you to come to our face, that's why I'm here. Are you getting it? So let me show you this product that can just get rid of it. Alpha Abutin. This is going to clear your face. This one you see. What is Alpha Abutin? You may be wondering, what this product is all about. I need my skin to be flawless and glow. Abutin is a very derived antioxidant. Are you getting it? You can basically consider it as younger sister of hydroquinone, though it's not hydroquinone. Are you getting it? So the thing is that it's very strong and gentle without no side effect. However, it's naturally derived from berries and wheat. So it makes it very potent, but at the same time very gentle with no side effect. Abutin, are you getting it? There are two types of Abutin. We have the beta Abutin and we have Alpha Abutin. Alpha Abutin is used because it's more stable and effective. It comes in a serum and a water base. You see it on the screen. And a lot of people buy this because it's very good when you're using this to premix without any side effect. But what does Alpha Abutin do? It mainly works in lightening hyperpigmentation, dark spot and even skin tone. It removes dark spot, religiously remove dark spots. If you have a dark spot, dark mark, no matter their age, no matter what it is, at the end of it all, when the acne goes, it will leave a dark mark. But when you use this Alpha Abutin, it will remove it. Some persons, they do use other steroid. Are you getting it? But if you use this Alpha Abutin, it's more effective and long lasting. I tell you, if you've not known about this, oh Christ, you'll be wondering, how does it work? Unlike hydroquinone, Alpha Abutin works gradually and slowly to inhibit the product of melanin in your skin. This is a little bit slower than hydroquinone, but it's more effective and long lasting. Are you getting it? So I would want to tell you to always use this if you just knowing this now that yes, it's very effective. Now you will be asking, who is the person who's supposed to use this Alpha Abutin? Who's eligible to use Alpha Abutin? 100%, everyone and anyone, all skin type and all skin tones are eligible because these are naturally derived and it's very safe for all skin type. Don't worry about any condition. If you are pregnant or whatever the condition may be, this product is unique that you can use it. This Alpha Abutin. Which active you can pair this with, you may ask. You can pair this with your age aids. I recommend you use them interchangeably. Yes. Concerning something like your lactic acid 10%, I recommend you cleanse stone, use your lactic acid, Alpha Abutin follows, and your creams and oils follows. Something like your vitamin C or any of those oils, I recommend for using your vitamin C or ascorbic acid, I recommend you cleanse stone, use your Alpha Abutin, Follow up with your vitamin C substantially, and because it's cream based. Usually the basic rule is to use your water serum first before your creams and your oil. That way it's able to penetrate in your body very well. The ordinary recommends don't use more than 3 water-based serums in more than to get most effective result. Are you getting it? Now let me put on the screen what other product you can put and pair with Abutin that you can get safe results. Are you getting? These are those ones you can see. You can add. If you stay too overwhelmed and you want to build a regimen, please hopefully to chat me with that number. And if you know that you really want to, you're using it and you know you don't get the result, you feel free to chat me up with that number on your screen. Let's talk about this product a bit before I show you how to apply it. Alpha Abutin 2% plus hyaluronic acid is a high concentrated serum with 2% purified alpha Abutin and with hyaluronic acid. Now let me show you how to apply it, because it's not, like as I said, it's not effective in negativity, rather in positive. You can just when you open it, you can apply it to your skin directly. I mean, it's slippery, watery, it doesn't really, it smells good also. You can see it as that small as that bottle. It smells good and very effective, positive. You can apply it to your skin, or you want to add it to your premium, or add it to your creams and all that, fine, but you can apply it to the place you want to apply it to. Better still, I could advise you that you should mix it with your creams, and it will be more useful and highly potential. Its potential will come out positively. Are you getting it? No breakouts, no any of those blemishes, hyperpigmentation. No, rather it will lighten them up. It will remove a dark spot as well. You know, you can perceive it. I mean, the thing is really dope. It's powerful. It doesn't have any fragrance. It's water based. It's alcohol free. It's not oil free. Silicone free. I mean, this is what you use for your body. It's just like every other serum. Are you getting it? And it's very cheap. It's very cheap. It's affordable. Not like those days when we used to do this YouTube thing, like, you know, carry the whole of the bottle and put it on our body. Don't do that, or don't say this guy came to YouTube and teach us bad thing. No, what you do, you open it, you take a drop into your palm. You rub it in your hand in circular motion, and then apply it to your face. Are you getting it? Oh, trust me, you apply it that way. That's how to use it. Don't say you're gonna pour everything in your face. I didn't tell you that. Because in this channel we don't teach bad things. I told you I'm moving against those people who do YouTube things. We just come do this, not those magic. Are you getting it? If you find any challenges, you can always drop your question below or the comment box. Ask us or you shout us directly. We're gonna tell you how to go about it to get yourself free from all these problems. Because sometimes you go do these things when you don't know how to do them right, it becomes a problem to you. Don't forget, I tell you, we're into selling of skincare recipe, organic materials, for your skincare, for your production. Please always call at us. We'll sell at a low price, because this is Xmas again, and the wholesalers, this is your time. Come, we sell for you this time. And those of you in the US, Canada, Asia, Europe, generally, wherever you are, Africa countries, call at us. We sell all this, we ship them to you. Just call at us. Let's continue with our class. So after you put a drop in your hand, you rub it, try to you apply to your face. You can just dab or rub your face in a circular motion. And I hope that if you want to know how to use it with your snail mind, or use it with some other product, how to premix it, and you want to know it better, you can chat me privately with a number on your screen. I will tell you how you will do all that. Yes, fine. I will drop a video on that. But not today, not tomorrow. I don't know if anytime soon. Come on, this channel, you always get your best idea. We're in here for you. When you do all that using this Abutin, let me tell you, very guaranteed. You do not have any pigmentation, you don't have any skin irritation, you don't have any blemishes, you don't, oh, like he's gonna cause me some side effect. Not at all. When you use it in the right way, trust me, you see this efficiency of this serum, how your face, you're gonna look glow, Alright, we've come to the end of the class. If today is your first, please subscribe, share and like. Click on the notification button. Don't forget, we're into selling of skincare recipe, we're into selling of cosmetic as well. Make sure you call at us, and wherever you are, abroad, in this country, call at us. We're in here for you. So see you next time.